too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankamukashos ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Etiefoɔ ɛne ahwɛfoɔ me ma obi bia akɔ aba de ba Too Much GH muni aba Mexico na me de nsɛm a circulate ɛwɔ ɔman mu ɛba bɛso mo me di makonya kese nsɛm a kyerɛ agye gon ɛna me de ayi ne wedi ɛde so mo na etiefoɔ ye nyina ye nim ɛyɛ papa Honorable Kennedy Japan send ɛyɛ a nebufoɔ esitie nsɛm bi ankoyi amfa amana na ye kase ye papa descend pa chese we ne bufuo di towards lawyer Sami Jemfi wo mra the hot seat show koso na etiefo nsemu ni bia wo kan ye de kire lawyer Sami Jemfi eni se na nsentem video bi be pie mu a video no na chese nkire mu kire se ye show bi lawyer Sami Jemfi ye name so ye communication officer for ye NDC party no na ono also ye very committed and defensive ewo emani party ewo oman ye name the way Sami Jemfi aggressive when it comes to debate na ena nia akoshe Honorable Kennedy Japan ebufuo kra ne se ni show na wo ye no kremre mo fan cheme the truth show na ya wo ye ewo Adum TV so now for propaganda reasons sana ye Honorable esusu enunti wo koliki video bi a chese Ghana for ye nyina ye hu wo ba bi a owomu se wo ma His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufu Addo sika a chese it was alleged say bribe and ye president Ekufu Addo waje na I'll share Honorable Ebufua to the extent say wababeka insembi atu judges we descended communicated director in so na insemu Honorable two judges said there be lawyer Sami Jemfi woman ni enda wona wonye ahweye pa esan say oye aggressive NDC party ni ma say all the time or he will go any mile any to the extreme or any propaganda just for NDC but or make sure say obey careful esan say wo susu say NDC abino one mu use legal practitioner lawyer Sami Jemfi wono was communicator for NDC one mu use no na wan hwe ya NDC for no one be use na no mu bie etwi ne mu nsuo ni na anya ne wo peni na ema abrantie yi agina ni mu ase awia na wo mo say ja no edunu esi baby na etiefo say na ye papa Honorable Kennedy Japan wo kan nsem won net TV net TV hot seat show ne so Kennedy Japan on Net2 TV revealed that Sami Jemfi needs to be careful as he is only being used by the NDC just to bring his downfall. He stressed that the opposition NDC is only using him and to dump him later after he strikes on him. Therefore, and see what Sami Jemfi, I have you on tape and you won't like it. This your propaganda with the Urban Roads director wouldn't work on me, he said. Therefore, honorable wa Kenya no hu biem ene one pa na wato e dia ma lawyer Sabi Jemfi after what advising or indirectly no was doing somewhat to just a some propaganda where was sorry peja ne mu a wo ye no 1 year ahweye essence one no what than tape so na honorable ka say obi than tape so ana chese so mu say ni braba honorable bibia he will go any mile ama wo nipa no dirty cloth biara wo dia nya baby dia tete no obebo mo dia ahwehwe de aba betu dwa se ne be ya nipa no be hu se da bi wo ye watawe fi a de ya wo di si se wo kopeja na wo si na wensi na se wo su be kwa kofa tawe aba be si ne wo mu ni ne enim esi wo ye ga na ha de ne wo so ye si wo de e ma ni ye ne no na Ghana fo bi a chiro madwin se wo no abo enjai sa ensem na ya wotumi di ebufo kan na nsem we ya wo kan se wan hwe ya Ghana fo dodo na beka se enye wo kosete lawyer Sabi Jemfi apana so complot bibi evil against lawyer Sabi Jemfi essence me bi a etwemu Ahmed Dianso ba sa je se wo de betu dwa de pictures efa Ahmed ya branti ana wo de anas edi wo mjuma na wakofa ni picture de betu TV so a je sense me hu sense bebre kwa mjidi se dudu na egusu ewo different intentions about it no sa born when same way of the to journey the ankabe ya honorable anka won cha so prekupe ko ba se obi ya de kra na se wakoye peni wo man mu a wudi kan na se wo akwanya ne se wo kan aya na sa wo ne se obi wo file so obi wo profile so ntino wonya ahweye na wo start one so na wo strike here den ya ni profile ne se bi beba out no honorable wonja na dodo na so se there bi nya wo kan there right na wo lawyer Sabi Jemfi to me bibi say proper
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura